Hi there, I'm Matt, and today on You Can Change Vegan, we're making this chili con carne, but without meat, named Chilli sin Carne. Thanks to one of my subscribers, Alison, for suggesting that I make a recipe with beans. This Chilli sin Carne recipe is for you. If you'd like to request a recipe, just leave a comment on any of my videos and I'll try and make it. Let's start off by preparing all of our vegetables. Let's dice our red onion. Chop our sweet potatoes, leave the skins on. And our green capsicum. And 1 corn cob or a cup of corn kernels. The last thing to prepare is our kidney beans. I've been soaking 1 cup of dry kidney beans for 2 days. Or you could just use 2 cans instead. Now that everything's prepared, let's start cooking. In a large pot over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil, the diced red onion, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Cook stirring for a few minutes until the onion begins to soften. Now if you like it spicy, add a teaspoon of chili powder, and then a teaspoon of ground cumin or cumin seeds, a tablespoon of ground coriander, and a tablespoon of paprika. Once again, give everything a stir, and cook for a couple of minutes or until fragrant. Now drain the canned or soaked kidney beans, and add them to the pot, followed by the sweet potato. Cook stirring for 5 minutes to coat all of the beans and sweet potato in the spice mix. Next add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 2 cans of tomatoes or 800 grams of fresh diced tomatoes. Fill the 2 cans with water and add that in. Give everything a stir to combine and then turn the heat up to high. Place the lid on and bring to a boil. Once boiling, add in the green capsicum and corn kernels and then stir to combine. Those colours look so good. Now give the sauce a taste and then season with salt, pepper, lime juice for acidity, and sugar for sweetness. Add as little or as much as you like, depending on your personal taste. Stir to combine, turn the heat down, and allow to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes with the lid on, or until the vegetables and beans are tender, which gives me time to boil a pot of water to cook some rice. Say thank you to my 1,066 subscribers. Slice some red chili and smash an avocado. Once the beans and veggies are tender, carefully ladle into bowls with a scoop of rice, a dollop of smashed avo, fresh coriander, sliced red chilies, corn chips, and fresh lime. I can't wait to dig in because it looks amazing. As always, thanks for watching and thanks for supporting my channel by liking and subscribing.